Who's this?
Hello?
Hello? Who's this?
Hello?
Who's this?
Hey, where are you?
Where are you?
I'm in the Boat Werks. Where are you?
Where am I? I'm in Ireland.
Ireland? What are you doing in Ireland?
Yeah, I'm trying to get some boat motivation.
Oh, come on, man. What are you doing in Ireland?
Yeah, you know, a little motivation about the boat, working on it, this and that. I'll be back soon.
Listen, you gotta get back here. I'm the only one working here.
Don't worry about where I am.
Come on, man. You gotta help me a little bit.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. Keep up the good work.
Come on, man. This boat's never gonna get done.
Yeah, listen, I appreciate it. Just keep working. Everything's under control.
Why are you doing this to me?
Yeah, okay. Thank you for your service.